Choosing the best countertop blender can be confusing, but today, we're cutting through all the noise. We tested design, power, and real daily performance to find which blender truly earns your trust. Stick with the top 5 best countertop blenders of the year are ranked right now. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Blendtec Total Blender Classic with FourSide jar. Its boxy FourSide jar and simple digital touchpad give it a sturdy, no-nonsense industrial design. It includes pre-programmed cycles for smoothies, ice crush, and batter, all controlled with one touch. Watch as the powerful motor pulverizes ice into snow-like texture within seconds of blending. In a busy household kitchen, this blender handles quick breakfast smoothies without any hesitation. Its durability and consistent blending power make it a dependable long-term kitchen investment. Visually, its solid build and simple layout communicate durability, reliability, and no-frills confidence. Its main limitation is a smaller preset selection compared to more advanced modern competitors. This blender is best suited for simple households wanting powerful, straightforward, everyday performance. Overall, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic FourSide earns a solid, dependable 5th place ranking today. Landing at number 4 is the Breville BBL 920 BSS Super Q Home Blender in brushed stainless steel. Its brushed stainless finish and sleek assist lid design give it a premium, modern kitchen presence. Its 1800-watt motor blends fibrous vegetables and frozen fruit into a silky, restaurant-quality texture. During a family dinner prep, it quietly purees a hot soup directly through blending friction alone. Its quiet operation and personal blending cup make it ideal for shared or noise-sensitive homes. Its self-cleaning cycle and 10-year warranty highlight thoughtful, user-friendly, long-term engineering. Its main drawback is a higher price point compared to standard home countertop blenders. This blender suits home cooks who want commercial-grade performance without sacrificing kitchen peace. Overall, the Breville BBL 920 BSS Super Q Home Blender confidently secures a strong 4th place spot. Taking 3rd place is the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender with its iconic 64-ounce container. Its classic tall container and simple toggle dial give it a timeless, professional-grade appearance. It offers 10 variable speeds, a high-speed switch, and a self-cleaning cycle in under a minute. Its 2-horsepower motor effortlessly creates the signature Vitamix vortex, blending everything evenly. At home, it turns frozen fruit and leafy greens into a smooth, restaurant-style green smoothie. Its ability to make hot soup through blending friction alone saves valuable time on the stove. Its legendary durability and consistent performance have earned trust from home cooks for years. Its simple analog-style controls may feel basic compared to newer touchscreen blender models. This blender is perfect for serious home cooks who value raw power over digital extras. Overall, the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender firmly earns its well-deserved 3rd place ranking. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System Power Blender and Processor Pro. Its sleek black finish and informative digital dial give it a modern, tech-forward kitchen look. It includes BlendSense technology, a 72-ounce pitcher, and a 64-ounce food processor bowl. Watch as BlendSense automatically senses texture and adjusts speed for a perfectly smooth blend. On a busy weeknight, it chops vegetables and blends a smoothie using just one versatile system. Its all-in-one design saves counter space by replacing both a blender and food processor. Its slicing and shredding discs make meal prep noticeably faster for busy households and families. Its larger footprint on the counter may be a concern for smaller kitchen spaces. This system is ideal for families who want a powerful, do-it-all kitchen appliance combo. Overall, the Ninja TB401 Detect kitchen system earns an impressive and well-rounded second-place lace finish. Taking the top spot today is the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, professional grade, in classic black. Let's take a look at the Vitamix E310. Its compact, sturdy container and simple 10-speed dial give it a clean, professional design. It features 10 variable speeds, a pulse function, and a self-cleaning cycle for effortless upkeep. Its powerful motor smoothly blends fibrous produce, frozen fruit, and ice with impressive consistency. Every morning, it turns simple ingredients into a smooth, creamy smoothie in under a minute. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens, without sacrificing genuine blending power. Its trusted Vitamix engineering, easy cleaning, and reliable results make daily use genuinely effortless. Its smaller container size may limit batch size for very large families or gatherings. This blender is ideal for individuals or couples wanting trusted Vitamix performance in a compact form. Overall, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender earns our confident, well-deserved top spot today. From the Blendtec Classic to the Vitamix E310N, each blender brought real strengths to this ranking. This budget buyers, growing families, and smoothie lovers will each find their perfect match here. For unbeatable everyday performance, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender is our confident top pick.